Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be introducing you a wonderful and new project that has been launched in Telegram. This project is just the same way we mine Notcoin. For those who are not aware of Notcoin, okay, it does not require you to do anything. Just sign up with the link which I'm going to drop in the description below. Then once you sign up or once you register, this circle here that has this teddy bear, you just tap on it and continue. Tap on it will make the total value of the hamster coin, which you have here increased. The name of this project is actually known as Hamster Kombat. Now I have dived into this app and I have discovered a lot of features that are associated with this app, and that I have found this project to be one of the most promising Telegram airdrops or Telegram project which has emerged in the past recent months. So in order to sign up for this project, you click on the link in the description below. Then you follow the instruction. There is a Telegram bot. So once you sign up, it will bring you up to this section. And just like I said earlier, the only thing you need to do is just to tap on this teddy bear on this round or circle on the page on this interface. So that's all. Okay, now there are some features that makes this up or project very interesting. Now, if you click on this M section, you are going to see a whole lot of things that are listed here. Both what we have under markets, under PR and team legal and specials. Each of this menu has their list of items. Okay, and they are very, very interesting. At time of convenience, you can dive into them and check them one after the other. Okay, now before we proceed let us go to the social media handles of this project. So if I click on this, the end option here, when I click on it and I will tap on this join Telegram channel, when you click on the join, it will take you to their Telegram channel. And this is their Telegram channel, which has close to 5 million subscribers. This is very huge. This community is very, very large. Okay, there was a tweet they made some hours ago, and it reads, as you can see on the screen, it says, their CEOs, congratulations on another achievement. Our channel has entered top 10 Telegram channels in the global ranking. This is very wonderful. That is in all Telegram channel in the whole world. This Hamster Kombat channel is part of or amongst the top 10 Telegram channel. The community is very huge. Now let us go back and let's go to their Telegram group. Now, community is one of the factors that through which we can access how authentic a project is, although it doesn't work in all cases, but it counts a lot. Now, this is the Telegram group, which has over 200,000 members. Now, when you go back and check their Twitter handle, you see there are subscribers that they have. It's over 1 million subscribers, okay? And when you take a look at this, you see when this project team joined or registered this Telegram handle just a couple of months ago. So this mining was just launched a couple of weeks, and it has grown within weeks up to over 1 million plus followers. That is huge, and that shows that this is a very huge community. Now, in this space, if you want to earn this coin, okay, apart from the tapping, you can click on this first button. You join the Telegram handle. Once you join the Telegram handle, you'll be given 100 of the hamsters. If you join their Telegram group, you'll be given this. Just follow this instruction. You join their Discord, or you follow them on Twitter. You choose your exchange and you invite friends. By doing, you will earn this coin. Okay, now I'm on another interesting. Here is the exchange which this project anticipates to list this coin. On when you click on this, choose your exchange. Now here they give every miner the privilege to select the project that the exchange that they want their project to be listed in. Now, as you can see here, I have selected Bybit, and here we have Binance, Bybit, OKX, BingX, HTX, Qcoin, and Get.io. These are the top world crypto exchange platforms. This shows that this project is very promising and may likely list in all these exchanges, although I do not know their aim for giving us the privilege to select or to choose which of the exchange we want. Okay, now you can choose randomly whichever exchange that you want. You can select randomly, and while you select that, this exchange you have selected when you are offline, okay, I don't know how the system works, but whenever you log in, as long as you have selected an exchange, it will earn you some coins. Okay, it will earn you some of this coin. Now, if you want to refer someone, you click on the friend option, this friend icon, then you click on invite. Then you can now forward your messages or click on it, or you tap on the copy button. This is the copy button. You tap on it, you copy your referral link, then you share it to your friends. Okay, so each time you log in or each time you come in, you tap on the screen like I've said earlier, just the same way we did for Notcoin, and that's how to mine. Okay, That's how to mine this project. It is very promising amongst all the Telegram projects, Telegram mining projects, which I have seen a couple of weeks ago. And now this project appears to be one of the best for me. This is a personal opinion, okay? So we hope and I anticipate that this project is going to perform very well. So if you are interested in this project, I'm going to drop the link in the description below. If there is any question you want to ask, or if you are confused, just drop your question at the comment section below and I will respond to those questions. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop videos in this channel, you get notified. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.